How to like a game on Roblox Mobile. So in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to show you what we have right here. So if I were to go ahead and scroll down, you should be able to see here the games that I have played. Basically, as you can see, it says continue. These are some of the games that I've played in the past. Now I can just go ahead and easily do this one. For example, if I were to like this game, I'm going to go ahead and click that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll it even further. And you should be able to see here the votes. Now, you have the down vote here, which means dislike, and then the up vote here, which means like. So you can just go ahead and easily like this game by tapping the upvote button, just like so. But take note that in order for you to be able to like a game, you have to visit or you have to try playing that one. For example, I have these experiences right here, whom or which I have not tried before. I'm going to show you, for example, this one. I'm going to try to rate this one by clicking the upvote button. As you can see at the top, it says that you must visit this one before being able to vote it. So yeah, that is how you are going to like a game on Roblox Mobile.